They say home is where the heart is, but most of the time you're not there to receive deliveries, see who comes by, or protect it from unwanted visitors. With the Ring Video Doorbell, you're always home. Ring streams HD video and audio over your home Wi-Fi to mobile devices. With Ring, you'll never miss a visitor.
Delivery from Mr. Phillips?
Great, just leave it by the door, thank you.
And Ring's customizable motion detection makes it easier than ever to keep an eye on your property.
Oh, I see you, Timmy Stevenson.
With Ring's cloud recording feature, you can instantly access, replay, and share your video events. When it comes to security, Ring lets you give the appearance of being home even when you're not.
Hello?
I'm just in the neighborhood doing free house painting estimates.
I'm bathing the children right now.
All right.
Ring helps families keep their homes secure and prevents break-ins before they occur, during the day and at night. The Ring Video Doorbell was designed to enhance your home's entry. With a wide variety of faceplate options, you can customize Ring to fit your home's personality. You don't need extra tools or professional help to mount Ring in minutes. Ring works on any home, whether you have available power or not. And should someone steal your Ring, we'll even replace it for free. With convenience, 24/7 home monitoring, and the peace of mind of added security, Ring families are always home.